Bird on the street.
Well, trick or treat for a change, because I can still kind of trick or treat. They still give out a little bit of candy, so that's nice.
On Halloween, I really like to watch Nightmare Before Christmas because it's one of my favorite movies. Other than that, I guess just eat candy.
I like to go party to different parties on Halloween. I love going to different Day of the Dead events. And last but not least, I like eating the candy and the caramel apples without nuts on Halloween.
I like to dress up as something scary or go to haunted houses and get scared.
Well, let's see. What do I like to do? I like to carve pumpkins while watching scary movies. And the reason for that is because when there's a really, really scary part, I can just look down and get really into carving. That's my best work.